All right, we are getting into it in our pitch sessions here. We are going from the West Coast. We are going to go to the East Coast of America. Darryl Glover is going to be coming up here to talk about iSolve.io. He is going to have the 8 minutes. He is the principal and chief clinical officer for all iSolve.io. And Darryl, you got your microphone, you got your clicker. Are you ready for action? Don't worry, we'll get you going. Okay, he's got his mic. Ladies and gentlemen, here comes Darryl Glover. Let's hear it for him.
We save lives. 1 million people annually across the globe die from taking counterfeit medications. The biopharma industry loses $200+ million annually. iSolve was founded in May of 2014 as a Pennsylvania LLC to address this challenge and others by providing blockchain solutions that break down data silos, better connect partners together, and bring a closer ecosystem together. Our team is composed of people with IT, pharmacy, and cryptography experience of 20+ years. Our industry focus is primarily in life sciences and biopharma, medical devices, and healthcare. But we also have an opportunities because of the way our platform is designed to also assist in areas of agribusiness as well, which faces similar regulatory challenges to the pharma industry. So all of these industries that I just mentioned to you, they all have the same problem. They have to either be able to track and trace products from beginning all the way through, or in the case of healthcare, they have to work on interoperability issues in order to better connect patients to the rest of the healthcare system. All of these industries do not have the infrastructure to address these global regulatory demands that they are faced with. The market opportunity is huge. Each of these industries is over $1 trillion industry. The segment that we are targeting is in the tens to hundreds of billions of dollars, just looking at supply chain alone. The blockchain, its importance is it provides a secure infrastructure in order to create data provenance and security that's required for regulatory or business reasons. It helps to bridge existing systems and processes and bring network together of participants that have not worked together in the past. The value of the blockchain is enormous, from global visibility to prevent counterfeit drugs from entering the system, through bringing in the data that you need to do better data analytics, to time to market, to decreasing cost, and as an opportunity to generate additional revenue for companies. Our solution is Advanced Digital Ledger Technology, or ADLT. Our platform is designed to exist and work with existing systems and processes, not to disrupt them. It's a facilitator. We build bridges between systems and trade partners. We strengthen business times through our ecosystem and through using our BlockRx utility token. We provide an incentive program for trade partners to want to join together and provide the data that everyone needs in order to make better business decisions. This is just one example of how our solution works. If you follow, this is a pharmaceutical supply chain, starting at the beginning with raw materials and working all the way through to product. Each part of the process is recorded on the blockchain so we can establish the provenance. If you look at the end where E501 is, the goal is that this, in combination with serialization, will allow us to say that these raw materials entered our facility at this date and time and became these products, which are now going to market. But that's only the beginning of the story. The next part is being able to track all the way through to the level of the patient. The goal is to connect manufacturers to patients so they can gather better outcomes data to talk to insurance companies, and for providers to provide better education and ensure patient adherence. The overall goal is to have an integrated healthcare model where everyone is working together to improve the healthcare of the patient, with the patient at the center. Manufacturers connected to patients, patients to the rest of the healthcare system, and we have better outcomes at the end of the day. Other applications for our platform, other than an agribusiness, are in intellectual property management, clinical trials, regulatory within the pharma industry, as well as potentially uses in master data management. In order to incentivize, we have our BlockRx utility token in order for all of the parties to want to participate and potentially earn additional revenue. The channels of revenue are quite diverse that can be coming from this, from data subscription models to incentive programs, from digital key management, and from making money from just providing consensus. So not only are we bringing partners together to share data, we're also giving them the opportunity to make additional revenue that's beyond what their current jobs allow. We are ready for growth and to accelerate. We have a 4-tier revenue model, from consulting through product development, through post-marketing services, and through acquisition of our BlockRx utility token by the clients. We currently have active proof of concepts with several major pharma companies, health systems, and with wholesalers. And we have strategic partnerships with Intel, who is co-developing the product with us, as well as Your Encore, which is a management consulting company. And I invite all of you to come and join our network to help transform global healthcare, to save lives of everybody around, to improve healthcare for yourselves, your family, and your friends, and to touch the lives of other people that you may not even know. Thank you.
Here we go. It's time to go to questions. If you've got questions, get that app out and get them in. If we can get them up on the screen. Darryl, is there anything that you wanted that if you had a little bit more time, you got your 2 minutes, anything that you really want to hammer home?
No, I think we're good.
Oh yeah? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, have we got any questions coming from the audience? We ready to go out here? Darryl Glover from iSolve. He's come all the way from Florida. No? You know what? You're very, very comprehensive. You've absolutely nailed it. Ladies and gentlemen, big thank you to Darryl Glover for that presentation. Fantastic.